Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see recently watched videos over on Facebook. So in order to actually check your watch history on Facebook, it's quite easy. All you need to do is open the Facebook app just like this, and once you're home, literally all you need to do is click on menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, all you need to do is scroll down and click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. Now you need to scroll down a bit till you find activity log, and it will be under your activity, so make sure to click on it. Then right here you have a lot of categories and you want to make sure to search for videos watched, and mine is right here. Then we can see right here my activity history for all videos I've watched over on Facebook. And that's basically how you can find or how you can see recently watched videos on Facebook. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.